This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
It's time to buy everything that we need to buy in order to create your WordPress website. And the first thing we need is a domain name. So when you have our checklist, just click on this link to go to Namecheap. Or you can find this link on my website. From here, if you don't already have a Namecheap account, you're going to want to click on Sign Up. Since I do have an account, I'm just going to log in. So for this part, when you're buying your domain, you can search any idea you have for a domain. So in this case, I'm going to say Eric John Campbell. And if you want, you can put .com if you're only interested in .com. But if you leave that part out, then it's going to show you all of the options that you can use instead of .com in case .com is taken. So this is my name, which is why I looked it up. You might want to use your name for a personal branding website, or it could be anything else. Then once you buy your domain, you go to Dashboard, and you can see all of the domains that you own. And see here, I have Eric John Campbell, which is a domain that I want to use in the future. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using this domain, Give Back Your Gift. So that's it. You've bought your domain name on Namecheap. Next up is to buy hosting on WPX Hosting. So you can click on this in the checklist or on my website. And then from here, you're going to want to just click Start Now. Now this is the only hosting website that Thrive Themes recommends. And I absolutely love the company Thrive Themes. And they have done all the heavy lifting, trying out all these different hosting services. And this one is by far the best. And after using it myself, I can confirm that. The reason why is it's super fast, so your website loads much quicker than on other hosting platforms. And their support is amazing. Like, you can get live chat support in an instant 24/7. And when you click Chat Now, they immediately respond. So it's a little bit more on the pricey side for hosting services. It's $25 a month for up to 5 websites. But considering how important hosting is, if you're serious about your website, or even if you're thinking of doing it more than just a hobby, I recommend paying that premium for a great hosting service. So you can pay yearly. I prefer to do monthly. And then just host the website wherever you live closer to. Click that button and follow through with the checkout. And it's super simple, and then you'll have your WPX hosting account. Next up, you need a theme for your website. Like I mentioned before, I really like the Focus Blog theme from Thrive Themes. It's very simple and it loads quickly, but you can use any WordPress theme you want. And since we're going to be using Thrive Architect, most likely most of your pages will not look like the pages that are the default for your theme. And that's because with Thrive Architect, we're going to be creating blank pages and then building what we want on top of that blank page. But the reason why you might want a theme that looks nice is if you want to host a blog on your WordPress website, then the look of your blog is going to be dictated by your WordPress theme. That's not something that you can change the look of just through the plugin Thrive Architect. So if you're in doubt and you have no idea which theme to use, if you want to spend as little money as possible, just stick to the default WordPress theme that comes when you install WordPress. But if you plan on using your website professionally, then I highly recommend buying this theme. And it's a very versatile theme from Thrive Themes, and it's not that expensive. So if you click the link, you can find out all the info about this theme. And the price is unlimited personal use for $67. So that means you can use it on all the sites that you own and operate, but you just can't use it if you're creating websites for other people and they're paying you to build that website. And next up is Thrive Architect. And like I mentioned before, I love Thrive Architect. It's the best WordPress page builder I've ever seen, and it provides the best experience to build a website in 2018. So when you're ready, click on this link, and I guarantee you this is going to be like the best online purchase you make. So if you're like me, you can kind of geek out over the tool and watch these videos and go through this whole landing page, which was built with Thrive Architect. Or you can just scroll down to the bottom if you're someone that knows what they want and click the buy button. And the pricing is very reasonable, I would say. The single license, 5 license for $100 or 15 for $147. So it's up to you how many websites you plan on building with Thrive Architect. But this is a one-time fee, and once you buy this plugin, you never have to pay any monthly fees to use it. And another option Thrive Themes has, which they don't actually list on this webpage, is a monthly subscription. And when you pay that subscription, you get to use all of their products. So if that's another option that you prefer, then you can look for that on this website. And I'm pretty sure if you click this button, no, you have to search for it. But it's called the Thrive Themes Agency membership. And it also includes the Focus Blog theme in this membership, which is $50 a month paid annually. So just know that that's an option for you. And lastly, if you want to collect emails on your website, then I recommend the tool ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is often been called the hidden gem of the marketing automation world. And that's because it's a very low price to get started with. It's $9 a month, and it's fairly easy to use. It's not as simple as MailChimp, but it gives you so many more features. So if you want an email marketing tool that can grow with you as your business grows, then ActiveCampaign is my 100% backed recommendation. I love ActiveCampaign. So you can click on that link and sign up, or even just try it for free. And I believe it's a 14-day trial. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't even require a credit card. So if you want to collect emails on your website, this is the software to do it with. And it's what I'm going to be teaching in this tutorial. So now that we've bought the domain, we've bought the hosting, we have a theme, whether we're going to use the free one or we bought it, we bought Thrive Architect, and optionally, you joined ActiveCampaign. It's time to move on because we're ready to start building, finally.